Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is vegetable enchiladas. The wife and I had a row over what to call this recipe, but she's out and I'm doing the narration, so vegetable enchiladas it is. Mind you, I wanted to put chilies in it and she wouldn't let me, so it's 1-1 I think. Okay, the first thing we do is heat some oil in a suitably sized frying pan, add the peppers, carrots, onions and garlic and fry off for at least 2 or 3 minutes. When this is done, it's time to add the spices. So that's cumin, smoked paprika, oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and fry off for a further 5 or 6 minutes. We usually add a splash of water at this stage. Then it's time to add the black beans and sweet corn, thoroughly mix in. Continue to cook for another 5 or 6 minutes, then remove the mixture from the pan and allow it to cool. Then we make the mushroom sauce. To do this, melt the butter in a suitably sized pan, add the chopped mushrooms and saute off for 5 or 6 minutes. Next add salt and pepper to taste. Followed by the 2 tablespoons of flour and mix in well. When all the flour has been incorporated, add the milk splash at a time until a nice thick sauce is achieved. It should look something like this. Then when the sauce is ready, add 2 tablespoons of it to the onion and pepper mixture. Follow this with half the cheese and thoroughly mix together. And that's the filling done. The next thing to do is put 2 tablespoons of the mushroom sauce in the bottom of a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Then you're ready to assemble the wraps. To do this, simply put a generous amount of the filling in the centre of the wrap and roll up as you see here. Then place in the oven-proof dish. Those of you who follow our channel will know my wife is a culinary genius, a positive diva in the kitchen, would give Marco Pure White a run for his money. But there are occasions when...
Oh no, they've messed this up, big time. I have to not show this one.
And her language sometimes makes me blush.
Oh,
Go on sweetheart, give it another shot, you can do it. Then when all the wraps are constructed and placed in the oven-proof dish, place the remaining mushroom sauce over the top as you see here. Then sprinkle over any remaining cheese you have. And it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 45 minutes. I do hope you enjoyed this enchilada recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.